Boy, these D.R. Horton guys really didn't want you to come up here in the attic. Look at how they ran this air duct over here. Right over the access path to the HVAC equipment. So now every time you have to have the HVAC service, they've got to push through that. Are you kidding me? No, I'm definitely not kidding you, because look at what they did with the main PEX line. They ran that sucker right over the attic access hatch. And then when I'm walking around here in the attic, good levels of insulation and everything, but be careful where you step. They've got hot lines run on top of the truss cords, and we'll never find them until we step on it, break it, and create a ceiling leak. I don't know, it's just not very well thought out. It's like a damn spider web over on this side of the attic. You know, it's just a bunch of tripping hazards for anybody working up here in the attic. Anybody have to do anything. Just stuff strewn all over the place. I mean, look at that. It's like we're knitting a quilt up here or something. Is this a loom? That's just insane. Look at that. Electrical, low voltage, high voltage, water lines. This goes all over the place. And you're supposed to walk around that when you get in the attic right there? Come on.